Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have the essentials: account, verified email, and a chosen template. Now start by creating a new post. Click New Post, type a clear title, and draft your opening paragraph. Use headings and short paragraphs to improve readability. Once done, insert an image or code block if needed. Make sure to set categories and tags before saving. When the draft reads well, select Publish immediately or Schedule for later, so your content becomes visible to readers. You're in the middle phase: refine and format for clarity and SEO. Start by organizing sections with H2 and H3 headings, then add bullet lists and bold key phrases to guide readers. Optimize images with alt text and compress files to reduce load time. Set one featured image for social previews. Once done, add internal links and meta description, then preview on desktop and mobile to confirm layout. If something looks off, adjust margins, line spacing, or media sizes so the post reads smoothly. You're ready to finish. Choose visibility and either publish now or schedule for a peak time. After publishing, share the link on your channels and monitor analytics and comments so you can engage readers. Make sure autosave and backups are enabled, and export the post if needed. If something breaks, try one quick fix first. Clear your browser cache and reload. If the issue persists, disable recent plugins or check the browser console for errors. Those steps usually reveal and resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.